Today we're unboxing an Aeron Herman Miller chair that I just bought from the company, Herman Miller company. So it took about 2 weeks since I placed the order. And this is the most basic model. I didn't really upgrade it except for the roller, because I have a hardwood, so I opted for the multi-purpose roller feet. Yeah, so let's do it. The box is pretty big. And I think it came assembled already. So here it is. So this one came on a gray color, which is I think the basic model. So it came fully assembled, so I don't have to do anything except to try it. And it looks brand new. Well, it's brand new. But like I said, I purchased it directly from Herman Miller because they had a sale going on last month for like 15% off. So it's a pretty good deal. And this is the same chair that I use in my office, my work. So I kind of like it. So I bought one for myself. And the one I use in the office is a 2017 model. And I'm still using it. And I really love that chair. So I bought my own for home use. Like I said, this is the most basic model, which you can raise and adjust the, the armrest also. Yeah, so yeah. Looks pretty good. That's it. Oh dang, this looks comfy. Okay, that should be it. Thank you.